So Texas Mattress Makers and Living Designs Furniture, when you look at a map of Houston, all over the Houston area, the dots are starting to pop up.
Exactly, that's the goal. So we added a store in Pearland, which we opened up the 1st of March. We're going to have spring, and after that we're going to go to Pasadena, and we're going to go to Cypress. So God willing, by the end of June, we should have 3 additional stores. You know the best compliment I ever get?
What?
I see people and they say, you know, I just bought a mattress from you, or we bought mattresses from you. And when they tell me, we haven't slept ever like this. I had a lady the other day that told me, a doctor actually, that told me, I never knew how uncomfortable I was until I got the new mattress at home. That's it. That's the best compliment I can get. That means I've done my job. Nothing tops that.
You're also adding more products to your product line, and now you have something that I'm really excited about. You have these upholstered bed frames.
I will not sell anything I can't manufacture. There's a reason for that. Because if you sell, especially in today's world, if you buy something from somebody else, you don't know what's inside of it. And quality and honesty and integrity is top of mind for me. So what we did is we did our research and we found the 10 best headboard bed frame that there are on the market, and we costed them out. So for example, a tufted headboard over here in another store would cost you somewhere between $3,500 and $6,500.
Easily.
Okay? Now, everything we do is solid wood. Everything we do is for life when we build our frames. It's not a period in your life. If you want to keep that for the rest of your life, I guarantee you that frame is going to be there for the rest of your life. That's a blind item, correct?
Yeah, you can't see what's
inside. You don't
inside.
know what's inside.
Right.
You don't know if it's particle board. You don't know if it's plywood. You don't know if it's hardwood. You don't know if it's softwood. You don't know anything.
In many furniture stores, isn't it particle board and plywood?
Yes.
Which is problematic because that doesn't hold up.
No, it doesn't. This, as I said, the frame is guaranteed for life. Your life, as long as you want to keep it.
An upholstered queen-size bed starts at $799 here.
Correct.
That's a low price.
Yes.
It's made using solid wood.
Correct.
You have high-quality fabrics, performance fabrics on the frame.
Correct.
If I were to pay across town $4,000 for a similar bed, and I don't know what's inside, am I potentially paying more for a lesser quality item if I go someplace else?
Potentially. So anything that I make at Living Designs Furniture, Texas Mattress Makers, any one of these beds will hold up forever. I do mean forever. Just like any one of our frames at Living Designs Furniture are guaranteed forever for your life. And it's made by hand to ensure that it's of the highest quality, not by machines.
Made by hand by the same team in your navigation factory, creating your high quality furniture. How many different fabric options?
8. That's 8 different options that do not change
The price.
the amount. You have 1,001, okay? I mean, you can order this bed, you say, I love this bed, but I want it in leather.
Oh, interesting.
Okay. Then it will, obviously it will increase because the cost of material increases.
Got it. So at the marked price, there are 8 different fabric options and the
correct.
price doesn't change. But as always, at Living Designs Furniture and Texas Mattress Makers, there are endless
Possibility.
possibilities.
That's correct.
What's really cool. They look great.